morning to all of you. Myself, Simran Dani, and as you all know that today we have gathered here to discuss on a very interesting topic that is generally up in discussions. That is internet, or it is a bane or a boon. That is what we have to discuss about. So, as you all know that we are living in an era of technology, and our life is not complete without the use of internet or social media in daily life. So, let me give you a biggest example of this. We all know that how difficult it was for us to survive in corona pandemic, but we have survived our education in a best way with the help of one and only internet. From attending the classes on Zoom, Microsoft Office or Google Meet to submitting the projects through Google Drive, we have done it in a best way with the use of internet. But my dear friends, we must remember that a coin has two sides, and so does the internet. So along with the advantages, it has disadvantages also. So if you look carefully at yourself, so you can compare your efficiency of study or work before pandemic and after pandemic. It has readily affected, and we have lost much of our efficiency. And the reason is the mindless scrolling on Instagram, YouTube. That is the reason, the internet. So along with a bane, it is a boon. So it has both the sides. So to arrive on a conclusion and to continue our discussions, I would like to request our group member Nidhi to please continue the discussion and present your points. Nidhi.
Good morning to all. My name is Nidhi Pal. Today, as our group initiator tells us that social media is benefit for our education, I agree with this, and I would like to tell that social media in social world, there are so many games. Online games are such applications that are helpful for earning money and many more things. Online games, some common games are Ludo, Candy Crush and Angry Birds, etc. It can potentially keep the mind sharp and strategic thinking, problem solving and decision making skills. On weekends we spend leisure time by playing those games, and which increase the potential between the individuals and they increase their bonding. One out of these advantages, there are some disadvantages of the online games. Online games, one of the major disadvantages is their addiction. There is a major game, PUBG and Free Fire. Online games have some security risks like hacking their bank accounts and personal information. Online games increase violence in the children, like a Blue Whale game. There are many kids and youngsters killed by this game. Online games, maximum use of these games causes back pain, stress, anxiety, etc. and many physical problems. The major result from the people lost from the ground and people.
Yeah, I actually agree with this point. This is a great point. So please continue.
Good morning to all. My name is Sangeeta and I would like to present as my view. Our group members tell us about that the internet is helpful for education and online games also, but sometimes it is harmful. So now I would like to tell us about online shopping. Online shopping is a process where the customer purchase good and service over the internet. Online shopping should be the regulations. The way people shop, the way people shop, why the convenience and the accessible and the varieties also. It offers the wide range of products and the ability to shop from anywhere, anytime. It when we buy the stuff over the internet, instead we going to the store. It's super easy. Just find things and click what do you want, and then click on the few buttons. If it get delivered to your address, and but sometimes it is tricky, you know that. But sometimes it is tricky. The things we buy online are good, and also the site are safe. The people's buy the online shopping are traditional out of the business. Also, overall the online shopping has overall online shopping is the continuous the growth of popularity, the traditional evolved and the consumer of the preference advanced.
Before proceed this, I would like to interrupt you in your point that I think your point is good, but sometimes it's not as good because sometimes we order the product and we saw the product in online sites, but the product we received is not like the same product. Because the last time I ordered a product from the online app, but when we get this product, it's not like the same, and that we expect that the product is like that, its quality is not as good. So I think it's not always good as we think.
I agree with this one.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Shariti. As you told us about the social media benefits, its benefit is education, online gaming, online education, and also be a source of addiction and distraction. But according to me, social media is good for us. Some people using social media for their entertainment. Sometimes we all want is a little entertainment at the end of the day. So we can using apps like Instagram, YouTube, etc. These apps gives us a lot of entertainment. For example, by sharing memes, funny videos and short clips. So now social media is also a source of earning money. Some people using social media for earning money, for getting an employment, because we know how much the unemployment is increasing day by day in all over the world. So it is good for that person who are doing jobs in social media as an influencer. So according to this, social media is good for us.
So before we proceed, I would like to interrupt you. Your point is really great, but sometimes I feel like there are influencers which post some things which can be hurtful to the people. So it can be entertainment for us, but for other people it can hurt their feelings. Sometimes they choose to see and to show some violence and to harm someone's identity without realizing. So it is entertainment for them, but for the other person it can really harmful and make them feel emotional or some kind of deprived in a way. So that may be a disadvantages. So please proceed.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Anshul. As the group member have mentioned how internet can improve education, online shopping, online gaming, etc. But it can become distraction at the same time. I want to tell you about how internet provides us freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. It implies all the citizens have to express their views, feelings, etc. It includes not only the words of mouth but also a way of speech by writing, movies, pictures, banners, etc. But the question is that why freedom of speech important in social media? Freedom of speech. It includes all the ways of expressing thought, expressing views, feelings, opinion freely. It facilitates communicate faster, people can communicate easily and access information, but another issue is that arising with freedom of speech, arising with freedom of speech is that it
People choose to speak something that is not right using their right as
proliferation of fake news is on social media. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook become a primary source of fake information for many people.
Okay, good morning to all of you. My name is Lalita Thakur. Everybody gives the advantages and disadvantages of internet. As Simran told about the education, internet is very useful in education. But if we use it in wrong way, then it disrupt us and destroy our study. And Nidhi told about the internet is used for online gaming. But it has a disadvantage because we leave the playing in a playground or this and this destroy our health, and it is very harmful for our health. And also Sangeeta told about the online shopping. It is very good because online shopping saves our time. But Muskan interrupt her because online shopping sometimes we don't find the products good quality, and this will waste our money. Also, sometimes there are many fraud apps, and because of these fraud apps, we lose our money. And Sharana talk about the entertainment. Internet is very useful in case of entertainment. Or this is entertainment is very helpful for the persons who are ill, because by entertainment their health sometimes their health the persons who are going through stress, they can be good. And but in some case some people take it as entertainment. They for their own entertainment they hurt someone's feelings, like they share their personal information, like in film industries some people show the personal information of film actress. It will hurt their feelings. And Palak talk about the freedom of speech. Freedom of speech is a very good thing. So people use internet for expressing their own thoughts or opinions without the fear of censorship. But some people don't take it in right way and disturb the peace of society by using the wrong way the freedom of speech. So by taking everyone's point of view, I conclude that if we use internet in a right way, then it is a big boon for us. But if we use in the wrong way, then it will destroy our physical and mental health. And the main thing is that we should have awareness about the use of internet. And I think this should be the part of our study in school and colleges, so that we should not be cheated by anyone through fraud websites. Thank you.